This video will show teachers what it looks like when a parent logs into eChalk. So first, the parent uses their email address as their username, and then they have their password. They click Login. Once they're logged in, they can see information about themselves. They can see that they have 2 children. One's at Freedom, one's at Hiawatha. If they add their mobile phone number, they can actually get text alerts. They can add bookmarks if they like for important websites they might need. If they click on My Classes, they'll see their example student who's from Hiawatha and what's going on in their class. And then they'll see their other student, there's a bigger line here, and they'll see what's going on in that student's classes. And if they had a 3rd or 4th, they would have a longer list of student classes. They can see everything the kids see, so if you click on homework, you can see what it says for the students. If you click on an assignment that requires a Dropbox, you'll note that parents can see if it's submitted, but they are not able to submit work. They can see announcements, and they can see all the things going on in class. If they need to download something, they can download a file just like the students can. If they're a member of a group, like the PTA, they could have a group here where they could share information in calendars. Under My School, they have access to parent resources at the district site, and then parents at their own site, students at their own site, and then teacher resources are always there. They'll see announcements in here, and directory tools if they want to search school or class pages. If there were sports and clubs here, they would have that information as well. And they can customize this view just like you can. Finally, a great thing about the My Classes view is if they click on Calendar, they can actually see all of their students' information in one place. So all of their homework is in one place, which is really nice. And back at My School, if they click on Calendar, they're actually going to have events from both Freedom and the district and Hiawatha in here. If they want to add more students, they can go to Profile. In here, Edit Email Alerts is where you would add students. They have their 2 students, and they could add or remove children. They're deciding to look at these classes for the email alerts. So they want updates on 2 classes. The 2 classes, for example, Student 2, and they want email alerts Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you choose example Student 3, maybe they're only concerned about this student's math classes and they don't want email alerts about everything else because this student's in 8th grade. So then they can get email alerts, every day for that student. So they can really customize exactly what they're getting alerted about. The email alerts just include a list of what's going on in class. So even if parents don't log in to eChalk, they can get an email alert on their phone at about 4 o'clock every day to know what's going on in their children's classrooms so that when they get home, they have something to talk about and ask about.